Celebrate with us as we toast my graduation over an exquisite dinner at Gary Danko. They offer two menu experiences, the chef's tasting menu and a build your own option where you can curate your own meal from 5 different categories: the appetizer, seafood, meat, cheese, and even dessert. They began by preparing our palate with this silky asparagus soup, subtle, earthy, and well balanced. They also brought out bread and butter before serving our first course. We opted for the chef's tasting menu, and for our first course, we got the glazed oyster with osetra caviar, leek fondue, zucchini pearls, and lettuce cream. Moving into the second course, we got the horseradish salmon medallion with dilled cucumbers and grain mustard sauce. Next, we got the beef fillet with potato gratin, king trumper mushroom, and bone marrow béarnaise. Following that, the waiter wheeled out a wide variety of artisanal cheese, thoughtfully explaining their origins and unique characteristics.
Onto the Le Bon. Onto the Le Bon. That one is France, from Loire Valley, France, tangy and nutty. Onto the Beemster Gouda Hatter from Netherlands, and the Zimbo. That one is from Portugal. Unpasteurized sheep, aged for 60 days, black wine. This would be the Quinta.
Okay.
Tangy, nutty, produce from France, Nanawash. That one is going to be the Grand Tarifo. That's the truffle from Italy. Ofer from the Salar region, aged 2 years. That's without yeast. That's the Strapsfire.
Okay.
That one is our younger version of the Stilton, very mild, also with a Nanawash.
What's on the screen?
Oh yeah.
That's the pizza. Oh.
That was the very creamy blueberry wine.
By the third course, we were already feeling full, so we decided to slow down with some tea. I ordered a ginger pomegranate blend, while my husband ordered a chamomile tea. And lastly, for dessert, we got their most famous baked chocolate souffle with 2 sauces, vanilla and chocolate cream.
Cheers.
And since we were celebrating, they treated us with a special cake and a selection of miniature desserts to end the meal on a sweet note. We also got some free gifts from Gary Danko. Cake. Oh, not bad. Looks good.